Oh, here we go again. Can you let the Roomba do his job, please? Come on. Come on. Gotta start it up. Gotta pick up all his dog hair. Come on. Turn it back on. Turn it on. Okay, back on with the nose. No, turn it on with your nose. Come on, put it back on. Turn it on. No, that's pushing it. Turn it on with your nose. No, it's turning it off. There you go. Okay, back up. Oh, you're riding the Roomba. Oh boy, now we're getting serious. Can you put it back on, please? Maddie, come on. Maddie, focus. Dad's talking to Ellie. Maddie. Come on, gotta get the Roomba back working again. Come on, put it back on. Want me to do it? Oh, here comes Ellie. Okay, here, Ellie. You're riding the Roomba. You're riding the Roomba, silly girl. I'm gonna put it back on. That'll make you quiet. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Back on. You don't want the Roomba to interrupt your barking. Okay, well, we're gonna do that because the Roomba is clean. Okay, why don't you go in the kitchen and what do you think about that? I think that's a better idea. Okay, come on. Let's go in the kitchen. Okay. I'll come back for the Roomba. Come on, Ellie. Let's go have breakfast. Poor Roomba. Poor Roomba. Poor Roomba. Funny girl.